Hi, boys and girls. I am Mrs. Lazarou, and I teach first grade here at Minnesota. I wanted to read you one of my favorite stories by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Piggy? Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Why are two birds? What are they doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Oh boy. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have three baby chicks on my head. And two birds and a nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Does not look or sound happy, does he? Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye. All he had to do was ask. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. I wonder where they went. You are welcome. Oh, there they are. Over here on Piggy's head. The end. I hope you love this story. There is a bird on your head, and Mo Willems has many, many silly stories that you could read in your spare time. Thank you for listening. Bye, boys and girls.